What if you could power the world's most popular digital currency with cutting-edge technology? At the recent Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville, this notion became reality as a leading ASIC manufacturer showcased their latest innovation. Microbt, renowned for its Whatsminter series, turned heads by unveiling an impressive lineup of new mining rigs. Picture a stage where the founder and CEO, Dr. M6XS, presenting the extraordinary capabilities of the air-cooled Whatsminter miner M6XS. This miner effortlessly reaches a hash rate between 190 and 210 terahash per second. But that was just the beginning. The crowd buzzed with excitement as Dr. Yang introduced the hydro-cooled M6XS Plus, capable of soaring up to 450 TH per second. Meanwhile, the immersion-cooled M6XS Plus offered robust performance with a hash rate ranging from 280 to 318 TH per second. Each of these innovations, crafted with precision, showcased a blend of ingenuity and ambition. Adding to the excitement, Dr. Yang revealed the hydro-cooled Whatsminter M64, which boasts a hash rate of up to 206 TH per second, alongside an efficiency rating of 19.9 joules per terahash without employers. The advancements don't stop there. Just months prior, Bitmain unveiled its S21 series, featuring efficiencies as low as 12.7 joules per T and tremendous as Bitmain pushed the boundaries. Origin recently introduced its teraflops miners equipped with groundbreaking 3nm chips, capable of achieving between 260 to 375 teras a second. These announcements weave contact on an intricate tapestry of innovation within the Bitcoin mining sector. In this relentless pursuit for technological advancement, the latest gadgets are far more than mere machines. They represent the dreams of engineers and the potential to redefine the landscape of proof-of-work Bitcoin mining. We stand at a thrilling crossroads where the drive for innovation reflects a brighter, transformed future. And speaking of transformation, why do Bitcoin miners never get lost? Because they always follow the hash route. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.